Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to Maggie Beats Family TV. As you can see in the picture, I will be showing you how to do this interlock. It is called mat work and you can use it to do variety of bead work. Do you remember the one I showed you the other time, how to tie knot? If you have not watched the video, I will put the link up here so that you can watch the video. You can use this mountain work to do this knot I showed you the other time. This one you are seeing here, we use sand bead to do it, and the red one we use the bigger bead. But today I will be using the bigger bead as well to show you how to do this mat work. Things needed to do it: you need your fishing line or thread with your beads. But today I will be using the red thread to show you how to do this interlock. I have threaded my needle already. I will pick one green, one pink, one green, and one pink, as you can see from the video. And I will be using two needles to work, as you can see, and I will interlock with the pink one. And I will interlock with the pink one. I will interlock and I will drag, as you can see. So this is what we have. Next, I will pick one green in the other side, one green in the other side. Then I will use the pink one to interlock. So follow up with me. I will pick the pink with any of the needle. Then I will use the second needle to interlock where my needle or my thread is coming out from. Follow up with me. Then I will drag. This is what we have. I will repeat the same thing again. I will put the green in the other side of the thread and one green on the other side of the thread. Then I will pick the pink one with any of the needle. Then I will interlock where my thread is coming out from. Then I will drag, and this is what we have. You keep on repeating the same thing until you get the desired length you want before we turn round to make it as a mat. You will pick your left thread and pick one green, one pink, and one green, and you will interlock with the right needle with one of the green bead. as this is what we have. Now the thread is now coming out from the side, not the way it was before, as you can see from the red one. So let's continue. Is coming here down, one coming from up, one coming from down. The one coming from down, I will pass through this green. Let's do that. So I will use the thread at the top. I will pick one green and one pink. Then I will interlock with the pink. To make this move, your thread is positioned on the side. Now you can create another roll. Let's continue. I hope you like this video. For our returning subscriber, we appreciate you. For those who have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.